Did you know that you can turn your own image from this to this? Yes, this is what I'm going to show you on this video. Exactly how to turn your old photos from this photo to this particular photo that you are seeing right here. So I use this particular method to achieve this result, this and this. So I'm going to be showing you how I did this and the type of tools that I use to achieve this result. You are a professional video editor, but you never knew until today. Wait, by the end of this video or at the end of this particular video, you will be able to turn your old photos into a brand new studio-like image. What I'm about to show you right now, even a professional photos editor cannot do. Yes, a professional photos editor cannot achieve this result manually. So I'm going to be showing you this method in just few minutes. But before we dive in, welcome back to Jorex Official. On this channel, we talk about YouTube growth and how to make money online. Sometimes I also share expert tips on how to do things that you actually thought it was impossible, just like the one that you are about to experience or to watch right now. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. This is the image that we are going to be using for this particular tutorial. We are going to be using this image and this other image. So this is just for sample or for example, right? So we are going to be turning these particular images into a professional studio like image or professional studio like pictures. So this is what we are going to be doing right now. So in order for us to achieve this particular result, what we will have to do is to head over to our Play Store. So just go to your Play Store. In case you don't have a Play Store, go to your Play Store and download this particular app right here, Google Gemini. So just download Gemini on your Play Store or App Store. So after you download and install Gemini, now still on your Play Store or App Store again, download ChatGPT. So these are the two apps that we are going to be using to achieve this. So first, let's go to ChatGPT. First, open your ChatGPT like this. After opening your ChatGPT, now this is what you are going to do. Click on the plus sign that you are seeing right here. Just click on the plus sign. If you tap on the plus sign, now click on image. After clicking on image, now select the pictures that you want to use. Now this is let me first start with this one. Okay, let's go with this. Just upload the image to ChatGPT, right? So after you upload your image to ChatGPT, this is what you are going to write. Give me a prompt to turn this image into a professional studio-like photo. You can use photo or image into a professional studio-like photo without changing the original facial expression or original look. Looks. All right, so we can use this particular prompt. Then you can just click like this to send it. Understand? Just send the image like this and ChatGPT is going to write a prompt for you. So you see, here is the prompt that ChatGPT just wrote for us. Transform this image into a high-end professional studio portrait. Keep the subject original facial features, skin tone, expressions and identity exactly the same. No alteration or beautification that changes appearance. Understand? So this you are giving this particular prompt in order not for your image or in order for your image to maintain the original looks of the person. So what we are going to be looking or what we are going to be doing now is to copy this prompt right here. You can just click and hold, then you drag it down to copy the prompt. Just copy the prompt like this. So after you copy your prompt, now head over to Google Gemini. Let's go to Google Gemini. Let me go to Google Gemini. So just Open your Google Gemini like this. This is what you are going to do. Upload the same image. Go to your gallery and upload that same image. Okay, this is the one that we are using, right? So upload that image right there. So after you upload that image, now paste the prompt. This place that they are saying ask Gemini, just click on it to paste your prompt. So we now upload the image on Gemini and the prompts that the ChatGPT gave us. So what you have to do now is to click on this send icon, right? You can just leave the settings the way it is. Just send it. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us. You see, it's going to be very, very beautiful. So, and this is something that I don't think even your professional photo editor or a professional photographer can give you. It do not. So let's just wait. Let's keep waiting as Gemini is processing the image. Let's see. You see, our image is now ready. Can you see that? Did you see that? This is something that a professional photographer cannot give you. So we have achieved this in just few minutes. Now look at this particular image very well. Look at the image. Do you see how beautiful this image is? You see, look at the skin tone, everything. I have turn this particular image from the local image to a professional studio like picture. Understand? You can see how sharp the picture is and how beautiful it is. Now let's compare this with the original image. Just for the difference, look at it. The difference is clear. Imagine, can you see this or can you see that? This is very, very crazy. This is very, very crazy. Let's go back again to this thing. We can also use the same prompts to turn the second image, or we can also go back to ChatGPT to get a fresh prompt or to get a new prompt to actually carry out this particular process. But in order for this video not to be long, let's try the prompt again with another image or with our second image. Let's first do this. Let me upload the image. This is my second image, right? So here is the second image. Now paste the prompt again. You can paste the same prompt. Let's go. Now we want to use the same prompt and edit our second image. Let's wait and see what Gemini is going to give us. Did you see that? Just look at. Do you see? Just take a look. Have a look. Do you see that? This is what we now have. You see? This is a professional studio picture. Omo, AI is crazy. So you can actually use AI to achieve a lot of things so far you know how to use a prompt or how to write your prompt. Understand? So AI is very, very helpful, especially in today's world. Just look at, this was the image before and this is the image now. Is this not amazing? So what you want me to do on our next video, just type it in the comment section and I am going to do just that. I am going to be turning spoiled image or spoiled photo into a fresh photo. Note, in all of this we have different prompts. There is how you can structure your prompt to actually get what you want. Like I can actually structure this same prompt to make this picture to appear in full, and I can also do the same to make it appear using another cloth or outfit. Understand? So it's very, very crazy. So on our next video we are going to be doing another thing. We are going to be turning a passport into a professional video, into a professional photo or a professional outdoor photo. Understand? So what you want us to do next, you can also type it in the comment section and we are going to do just that. So if you found this particular video helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. See you on the next one. Bye.